What is up, guys? It's going to be Audacious Survival number... something. 21. Ow. What was I working on? Oh, yeah. I was a diamond sniffer. I ain't gonna repopulate you guys, because you look like your population is depleted. I hear someone else in the background. It's just Peyton. I have him muted so he can't hear me, but... yeah. You'll be able to hear him. What happened? Oh, never mind. We're good. We're all good. We're on a Skype call right now, but he's not... or I have him muted. Or I have myself muted so I can't hear him. 1 minute. I'll see if I can turn him down. Apparently not. 1 minute. Let me check. I have no idea how to do this. You're just gonna have to listen to him click and breathe into his mic, apparently. Oh, bakery. I need you to organize. That's what I need to do. Organization is key. Actually, I'm just gonna throw all of it in here. Organization. Alright. I'm gonna smelt this. Oh, I already have some in there. Sweet. I got a lot of stuff now. Look at all those ingots. Oh, I have 7? Wow. I need to make diamond pickaxe. Oh, I already have one. I need to make a lava bucket. That's what I need to do. Or no, a water bucket. Because I need to... what did I have to do? I need to go make... or go get obsidian for an enchantment table. Holy crap, Peyton's noisy. Can you be any louder, please? He can't hear me. Ugh. Oh. Oh! Oh! That was close. 360. Come on. You're gonna die. Yeah. I'd take your poop now. Alright. I'm going to go down in the mines, and I'm going to get some obsidian. Because the mission for today is to make an enchantment table. The mission is... I think he's watching one of my old videos. What is he doing? Sounds... oh my God. I'm kind of curious as to what he's doing right now. It doesn't sound very pleasant. It's kind of creepy, actually. Oh, he's watching my new videos now. What is he doing? I can tell by the... I can hear the music or whatever. It's very distinct to me. I need to find lava. Any lava anywhere? No. Holy crap.
Oh, it's sad that everyone disliked it.
Oh, is he going through and disliking all my videos? What a doucher. Oh my God. Is there lava nowhere?
Good.
What'd you say? Peyton, stop breathing. He can't hear me right now. I just want lava. Please? Oh, there's lava down here. I can tell. There will be lava. Let there be lava. Please? No. Oh, this is that first mine we made. I remember this mine. It's gotta be... oh, I hear it. There we are. Thank you. Alright, sorry about that. I had to close that call because he was being really annoying. I don't exactly know what he was doing. He was just breathing very heavily, I guess. Kind of creepy. I knew that was there. Ugh. Oh, crap. No, I did it right. Or, well, I didn't do it right, but I did it. I've succeeded in something. Tomorrow I'm going to really hammer these. I'm going to record a bunch, hopefully tomorrow, because my parents are going out, so I'll be all alone. Being able to record whatever videos I feel. And, yeah. My parents are actually going out with Peyton's parents. Oh, God. It's all good. It's all good. I'm good. How much do I need? Like 4 is what I think you need for 1, 2. I think I have 2. This will be 3. And then I need 4. And then I'm done. Oh, I already have 4. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you only need 4. Ugh. Alright, now I gotta go all the way back. Oh, here we go. I don't even remember which direction I'm supposed to turn when I get here. I think it's right, but I'm not making any promises. Run! Oh. Come on. A little farther. Turn right, I think. I hope. Otherwise, we're gonna have to completely run all the other way back. Oh, yep, that's the right way. Time to make an enchant table. I need 2 diamonds for that, right? Yes, I believe. The bakery's looking good. Cows are looking sexy. And I need 2 of these. 1, 2. And 1 of these. 1. And then I need to make some... What was it making? Oh, yeah. I remember. Don't think I don't. Yeah, I did it. We need to make an enchant room. You know what I'm gonna do? Just wait. Oh, push. Alright. Got my cobblestone. My trusty cobblestone. Actually, I'm gonna do wood. I need the wood. Wood. Here. Wood. And through the door, please. Thank you. I'm gonna go up here, and the enchant room is gonna be in there. Hopefully. If I have enough room. Alright. So what I was gonna do is I was gonna put it up there. Am I gonna have enough room for it though? Gravel. It's definitely tall enough. Is it wide enough? I think it is. I'm just gonna make a bunch of these. 40. I don't think that'll be enough. I think it'll be plenty. Make this a little smaller. Okay. Now, which level is this at? Right here? That's perfect then. Yeah. Ooh, come on. You weren't supposed to go there. Come on. And then I can get rid of it, maybe. Oh, where's my pickaxe? There it is. Why is my pickaxe not in my inventory? And then wood. Wood. And then the way up, I don't know. We'll have to make a staircase or something. Yeah, we'll do that later. I don't feel like doing it right now. And then the actual enchant table. Oh, this isn't going to be the right size. If I want it to be even. If I put it right here, then it will be. But I want it to be like this, so you can see through the window. I don't know. Can I? No. Ugh, this is hurting my brain. Alright. Cannot. Stupid uneven houses. I think I'm just gonna set it here and do the books around this way, and then do the staircase up here, like that. Peyton, I don't want to call you right now. 1 minute. Just wait a minute. I will accept you later. Well, I'm almost done. Just need to build a staircase, and then I'm gonna finish this episode. Alright. I'll just make the rest of these logs. And I'll make a crafting table, because I don't think I have one in here. I didn't really look. Oh, yep, there it is. Double crafting table. Oh, that's not a crafting table. I'll just keep it in my inventory for later. Alright. Now I need stairs. How much should I need? I'm only gonna need like 8. 8 will work. Peyton, 1 minute. You know. Just wait a minute, Peyton. What? Is that gonna come out right? I need it to end right there. Oh. Oh. No. I need to move it back one. Alright. One more. And we should be... Oh. And there. Yay. I did it. Oh, crap. The staircase is on the wrong side. Okay, so apparently we're going to move this to this side. And the staircase will be up here. Books. Crap, it's going the wrong way now. Ooh. Actually, I'm just going to make the books, like, in the window. Make it look, maybe, nice. We'll see. Actually, I'm just going to do it the other way. Wait, how am I going to do that then? Ooh. I'll just go like this. No. So I'll go up like this, and then I'll... Ooh. How am I going to do this? I need it to be like this. Going down. So can I make like... What I'll do is I'll make a doorway around the back. Like this. Like right here. And then this will be the way to get up to the enchant room. The enchant room. I need it right there. Right there. Right there. Oh, wrong way. Wrong way. Right there. No. Wrong way. There. No. There. How many steps did I waste that time? Okay. Then that's not right. Alright. This needs to get pushed back a little bit. Oh, nope. That's not what you were supposed to do. And then it'll be up like this. And then I'll put this bookcases everywhere, and it'll all be good. It'll all be perfect. But I do want to block this off so I can't get... Or what I'll do is I'll just go like this and make a wall. There. Now it looks quaint. It does look kind of funny. I'm going to make this a wall too. With a crafting table poking out of it for some reason. Man, I'm best at placing blocks. Alright. Well, guys, this is going to be the end of this episode. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye now.